Hello. You can't go on the camera. Who's even the package for your mommy? You can't go on the camera. Camera ready. Hello. You can't go on the camera. We're here guys doing a delivery. But this customer is a little baby. What's her name? Tenise. How that spell? T-O. T-Y. Wow. Anyways guys, we're here. We're on the delivery trail. It is kind of overcast. It's been raining earlier, but it doesn't matter whether it rain or shine. We're going to get the package delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright? So I'm going to deliver this package. As I said, the customer is not here. Our daughter is picking up. Our daughter because she's a little bit young. Alright? So catch you guys later. We're on the delivery trail guys. Bye. Hey, by the way, click on the link. Join us today. Have your packages delivered to Jamaica and shipped to your doorstep. Alright? Later guys.